Now let's talk about the 5 command points. We start with stomach 36, leg 3 miles. The 5 command points are those points that have the strongest and most general influence on a specific area. The 5 command points are stomach 36 for the abdomen, bladder 40 for the back, lung 7 for the head, LI4 for the face, pericardium 6 for the chest. Stomach 36 is located 3 distal to stomach 35, or the lateral eye of the knee, and 1 finger breadth lateral to the anterior crest of the tibia on the tibialis anterior muscle. How to find stomach 36? First, locate stomach 35, the lateral eye of the knee, at the level of the knee joint space. From stomach 35, palpate 3 or 1 hand breadth down and 1 finger breadth towards lateral by placing the middle finger adjacent to the tibial crest. There, stomach 36 is located in a depression, which can be palpated dynamically. Choose the point according to pressure sensitivity, or palpate the lower border of the tibial tuberosity and dynamically locate stomach 36, 1 finger breadth lateral to it. Needling of stomach 36 vertically 1 to 1.5 tsun, moxa is often used. Actions or indications: regulates the stomach, strengthens spleen, transforms dampness, tonifies qi and yang, nourishes blood and yin, calms the shen, opens the channel. Special features of stomach 36: Husi point, earth point, pen point, or the 5 faces point, lower Husi point of the stomach, Kao Wu command point for disorders of the abdomen, Madan Yang point, sea of water, and grain point. The main point to tonify qi and blood for general weakness. Very important point. Stomach 36 is a major and important point, a great strengthening and enriching point for body, mind, and spirit. It feeds one's earth element and underpins all the responsibilities of the stomach official. Moxa on this point was said to allow people to march 3 li, a measure of distance, further, and thus it promotes stamina. Wei defensive qi is nourished in the middle jaw. Stomach 36 can be used for prevention of attacks from exterior forces. Moxa mentions it was often traditionally used with moxa. Machocha mentions it was often traditionally used with moxa every 5 to 7 days for 10 minutes on people over 30 as a preventative treatment to keep free from disease and strengthen upright qi. Stomach 36 is a great point for general improvement of health, strength, and resistance to diseases at any age. It is specific for treating chronic emotional lability due to illness, weak constitution, overwork, or old age, used after debilitating or chronic illnesses. As it tonifies upright qi, it also strengthens resistance to attack from exterior pathogenic factors, raises the qi, and used with moxa, it raises yang, and so can be used for prolapses. As a Husi point, it can reverse counterflow qi. It regulates and harmonizes stomach qi, strengthening digestion, improving appetite, relieving indigestion, treating weight loss, and strengthening weak muscles, relieving epigastric pain. Known as the command point of the stomach, its strong qi coursing properties relieves pain, distension, and masses in the abdomen. Being the earth point on an earth meridian enhances its earth qualities. Earth gives one form and a place on which and in which to live one's life. Earth within earth has a harmonizing action, steadying and facilitating nourishment and resilience. The rotting and ripening performed by the stomach official, the maceration of thoughts, ideas, and food is central to qi production. The five yin organs all derive qi from the stomach. Thus, the stomach is the root of the five yin organs. Without this crucial role carried out by the stomach, a person will feel weak, unable to stand their ground, unable to give form to any of their thoughts, and perhaps unable to think clearly. When the stomach is deficient, the person can feel disorientated and agitated, worried, not at home, or at ease in themselves. This point can calm and strengthen the mind and spirit. Used as a horary point in its time and or season, can access the full benefit of this point. As stated in the commentary on stomach 30, stomach 36, and 30, together form the sea of nourishment. They are called upon when there is long-term severe malnutrition and depletion of the stomach and spleen or digestive stagnation. The great reservoir or sea of nourishment and the strong coursing action of both points can help bring relief. Tonifies Qi and Blood, being a Husi point, gives it the property of releasing Qi and blood that is abundant in the Yang Ming. This Husi property of clearing stagnation can free the entire body, whether from emotional depression, excess worrying or studying, or physical problems. Stomach 36 benefits stomach and spleen and is used in all cases of the stomach deficiency of stomach and spleen to improve rotting and whitening of the stomach and transforming and transporting function of stomach and spleen, and thereby tonifies qi of the entire body and helps disperse damp. The alternative name of ghost evil indicates its use in epilepsy, manic depression, schizophrenia, depression, or when heat in the yang ming is causing wild behavior. This point both calms the mind and strengthens the body. Stomach 36 harmonizes yin nutritive and wei defensive qi so that the yin nutritive qi stops sweating and the wei defensive qi expels pathogenic factors. Used in cases of edema when defensive qi is weak in the skin layers and fluids overflow from the channels to invade the space under the skin. Tonifies blood, tonifies lang qi. Regulates intestines, especially where there is constipation from deficiency and stagnation. Regulates blood pressure, brightens the eyes, can be used for blurred vision and declining eyesight in old age. Expels wind and damp from the channels where there is obstruction and pain. Local point for knee problems. The abundant qi and blood from the yang ming, released by this point, nourishes the sinews and makes it useful in paralysis of the lower limbs. And finally, stomach 36 promotes lactation. From the breast connection with the stomach meridian, this point can free stagnation in masses and pain.